Are influencers becoming the new celebrities? सोशल मीडिया पे ना पर कमेंट्स में बहुत हेट मिलता है जब पता चलता है इन्फ्लुएंसर्स कितना अर्न करते हैं. बट अर्निंग्स ऑफ इन्फ्लुएंसर्स अकॉर्डिंग टू मल्टीपल फैक्ट्स हैव shot up to multiple crores per month, which is comparable to the earnings of an average celebrity and let alone जो struggling celebrities होते हैं.
आई थिंक मुनावर ने थोड़े दिन पहले ये चीज़ बोली थी कि हम चढ़ते हुए सूरज को और ढलते हुए सूरज को सबसे प्यार है, लेकिन चढ़े हुए सूरज से किसी को प्यार नहीं है. तो जब तक कोई सेलिब्रिटी की जर्नी में है ना, सबको प्यारा लगता है, मेरा भाई मेरा भाई मेरा भाई. लेकिन जब वो वहाँ पहुँच जाता है ना, तो लोगों को हेट देने शुरू कर देते हैं, इतना क्यों कमा लिया, इतना क्यों कर दिया.
If you look at the movie industry in the last 5-6 years, it is not as booming as it was.
The influencers that I've seen popping up a lot in the last 3 years are not the same faces anymore at all.
अभी शायद पूरा का पूरा बॉलीवुड या फिर सेलिब्रिटी स्ट्रक्चर जो भी है ना, वो अभी शायद खुद भी कन्विंस नहीं है कि उनको किस डायरेक्शन में जाना है.
Hi, I'm Mahima and I head content here at Beer by Skill House. I was thinking how din ba din influencers, I feel like they unlock a new level in terms of money, fame, success and it keeps increasing. सालों पहले उन्होंने स्टार्ट किया था with endorsing shampoos, face washes, hair oils and now it has come to appearances in national, international level events, walking ramps, being on billboards and whatnot. But a lot of people have mixed feelings about this. Do they actually deserve it? Are influencers replacing celebrities? Let's talk about it. Hi guys, so with me I have three people who have rather particular views about this topic. मेरे साथ है Nachiket who has spent over 5 years in the content creation industry. I have Raj who talks to celebrities on a day-to-day basis. She manages outreach for the podcast. And I have Harsh who is the social media manager and is constantly on Instagram viewing everyone's profile. So he knows exactly how these guys are perceived on social media. So anyways guys, here comes the main question of the day. Are influencers becoming the new celebrities? And I know you all have a lot of views, so I'd just like to get started with a few points as to why I feel so and a lot of other people feel so. Pehle to, I would just like to define these two for all of us so we're all clear. Definition of celebrity from the Cambridge Dictionary. Someone who is famous, especially in the entertainment business. And definition of influencer from Sprout Social. It's a shortened definition. Influencers are individuals with large or highly engaged social media followings and they use their specialized knowledge and authority to influence target audiences. So this is the definition, but abhi kya ho raha hai, as all of us know, influencers are getting the fame, money, success that we are used to celebrities getting. So firstly, let's talk about the most important aspect maybe, money. So I won't name names, but earnings of influencers, according to multiple actual facts, have shot up to multiple crores per month, which is comparable to the earnings of an average celebrity and let alone जो struggling celebrities होते हैं वो. So maybe Nachiket, you are the money mind over here.
Very easy, okay? It's not something which people didn't expect to happen and there is a very simple logic. अगर कोई भी ब्रांड है, अगर ब्रांड को अपने लिए कस्टमर्स चाहिए तो ब्रांड को दो ही चीज़ें चाहिए. वन इज़ अटेंशन ऑफ द कस्टमर सो दैट द कस्टमर इज़ अवेयर कि हाँ ये ब्रांड एग्जिस्ट करता है और इसकी ये प्रोडक्ट है या सर्विस है. दूसरा है ट्रस्ट, कि ब्रांड अगर कस्टमर का उस ब्रांड पे ट्रस्ट है तो ही जाके वो खरीदने वाला है इररिस्पेक्टिव ऑफ द अटेंशन. तो पहले उसको अटेंशन लेना है और उसके बाद में ट्रस्ट बिल्ड करके उसको सेल करना है. एज सिंपल एज दैट. सेलिब्रिटीज आर मेजरली यूज्ड टू क्रिएट एस्पिरेशन and influencers are majorly used to build that trust.
Yeah, relatability.
Yes, and in today's world trust is more important. So majority of the brands which are trying to build luxury brand, they might go after celebrities because they want to create aspiration. लेकिन किसी ब्रांड को अगर डेली अपने प्रोडक्ट्स बिकवाने हैं या अपनी सर्विसेज बिकवानी है तो they need an influencer because the trust factor and attention comes both from the influencers.
Got it. I just have one perception on social media. Completely agree to what you said. Brands do run after influencers now and not celebrities. Social media पे ना पर comments में बहुत hate मिलता है जब पता चलता है influencers कितना earn करते हैं. I'll just like to read out one comment. oh my god, these illiterates are making more money than a chartered accountant in the country, and people are offended by that. So I think Harsh, maybe this question you can take up कि on social media ना hate बहुत आता है कि यार इधर लोग doctors, CAs, even celebrities for that matter, cricketers, actors, they go through so much training to earn the kind of money they are earning. But फिर बोलते कि अरे यार ये लोग बस डांस करके इनको पैसा मिलने लगता है. So what about that?
आई थिंक मुनावर ने थोड़े दिन पहले ये चीज़ बोली थी कि हम चढ़ते हुए सूरज को और ढलते हुए सूरज को सबसे प्यार है, लेकिन चढ़े हुए सूरज से किसी को प्यार नहीं है. तो जब तक कोई सेलिब्रिटी की जर्नी में है ना, सबको प्यारा लगता है, मेरा भाई मेरा भाई मेरा भाई. लेकिन जब वो वहाँ पहुँच जाता है ना, तो लोगों को हेट देने शुरू कर देते हैं,
अरे
इतना
हाँ.
क्यों कमा लिया, इतना क्यों कर
Very
दिया.
true, very true.
लेकिन जैसे वहाँ से वो गिरना शुरू करता है ना, सब आ जाते हैं, क्योंकि सबको पता है कि ये उठेगा और उस वाली जर्नी में मेरे को बोलना है बाद में कि भाई याद है, सपोर्ट कर रहा था. सो बस वही.
And just to add to what Harsh said, if a brand knows कि इस influencer के साथ में जब मैं tie up करूँगा तो मेरे brand के लिए sales बहुत आने वाले हैं, तो definitely they will pay them. And influencers are smart to understand their audience. They are smart to understand trends and they know कि internet कहाँ पे जाने वाला है. तो इसीलिए influencers will get definitely a lot of money. हाँ, there are other professions, जैसे अंकुर वारिको ने बोला था कि एक brain surgeon से हमें ज़्यादा पैसा मिलता है एक reel बनाने के लिए, right? तो but वही है कि the kind of money that influencers are getting from the brand, it is for the kind of money they can generate for the brand.
Okay, so now that we're done with money, coming to जो चीज़ में सबसे ज़्यादा hate दिखती हूँ, opportunities. Be it award shows, big fashion events, Cannes ले लो, Lakme Fashion Week देख लो, उसमें as soon as people see influencers, the amount of hate, इसको क्यों भेजा, इसने क्या किया है, what has Cannes become, सरोजिनी नगर बना दिया है, like I have comments. Cannes has become Sarojini Nagar now. Or, ew, what the hell? Just seeing influencers over there, they feel like, baap re, किन लोगों को भेज दिया है, the premiumness is not there. But, I mean, influencers are getting them eyeballs, the award shows. So yeah, all these opportunities, guys, what do you all think? These used to be reserved for A-list celebrities, which now is accessible to all these influencers.
Like you mentioned, it gets them all the attention and all the eyeballs. So maybe if a film has like washed away, if no one's watched this film, maybe some people might not watch the red carpet. Like, oh, okay, you know what? This like I see this every year. But if out of nowhere you're like, oh, this certain influencer will be going there, even if you do not like that influencer, you would want to see. Oh, but like, what's this one doing here? Why is this one here? And I'll still rather watch it. Like, oh, just for the sake of it.
Influencers overshare, right? So
Yeah.
I remember as a kid, whenever there was Cannes, let's say, the next day morning you open the newspaper, you see, okay, Aishwarya Rai, Sonam Kapoor, so just some pictures and you're done. It's a 2-minute thing. But on stories now I'm able to see, oh, they had a burger for lunch. Oh, they went here in the evening. So, like, the events are getting more eyeballs because of the influencers, like it or not.
No, but also in terms of opportunities, it's the same thing कि जो आपने बोला कि billboards पे भी अभी influencers की ads लगती है, and I think Bhuvan was the first one to go that much mainstream. क्योंकि मुझे अभी याद है उसका I think Pizza Hut का या किसी एक brand का campaign था where he appeared in a TV commercial. Then it was Lenskart which onboarded Bhuvan as a brand ambassador. There was like one full TV commercial ad, billboards, Bhuvan was right there. और ये इसलिए भी हो रहा है, same factor I think trust एक है. दूसरा, if you look at the movie industry in the last 5-6 years, it is not as booming as it was, right? Maybe the theaters are filled for blockbuster movies, but not every single movie is getting like full house and everything. But at the same time, content creators, influencers, उनकी audience है, YouTube पे है, Instagram पे है, Facebook पे है. और ये प्लेटफॉर्म्स हर कोई दिन में 10 बार खोलेगा ही. तो जो भी अपॉर्चुनिटी है, देयर शुड बी रिकग्निशन फॉर श्योर.
प्लस मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि ये ना इन जनरल हमारे पूरे इकोसिस्टम के लिए बहुत सही है इन्फ्लुएंसर्स में जो ब्रांड्स आ रहे हैं, क्योंकि एक तरह से आप देखोगे कि जो फेम डेमोक्रेटाइज हुआ है ना, वो इसके बाद हुआ है. वरना फेम को सिर्फ 10-20 लोग हमेशा से डोमिनेट करते हैं. अब इट्स वेरी गुड फॉर द होल इकोसिस्टम कि सब लोग पैसे कमा रहे हैं, सब लोग अच्छा कर रहे हैं अपने अपने इंडिविजुअल लेवल पे.
And also, I think the celebrity part now becomes thoda seasonal also. Because celebrities usually are not open to a lot of interaction, social interaction in general.
Yeah, as much.
Apart from their promotional junkets. That is the only time when they'll come out of their shells and they'll be like, hey, you know what, I'm up for this. But otherwise, you do not see a celebrity interacting with their audience, community, fandom in general as much as an influencer
सही
or
बात
a
है।
creator
सही
would in
बात है।
general.
And coming to the third point, which is about popularity या fame. पहले हमने बस शाहरुख खान के देखे थे या सलमान खान के देखे थे फैंस वेयर शाहरुख ऑन हिज बर्थडे कम्स एंड ही वेव्स एट ऑल ऑफ देम और इतना क्राउड आ जाता था. कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स हमने सोचा नहीं था उनका भी ये होने लगेगा, बट इफ यू सी स्पेशली ऑफ दीज बिगर क्रिएटर्स, भुवन बाम, he sells out entire cinema, like cinema halls, malls, all of that. Prajakta Kohli in her book tour, even she's पूरी एकदम उसके locations full होते हैं. And even Ranveer, we've seen the fandom with Ranveer as well. I'll read out again a few actual statistics. Popularity in terms of reach, jo you told me about brands, there is this Dubai chocolate which is getting very kunafa, yeah, which is getting very popular and it's viral. So the story behind that chocolate is it actually blew up because of a TikTok video. Kyunki the founders, they decided to give it for free to these TikTok stars who could make reels out of it, and one of the videos of a review of that chocolate got viral. And that's how that chocolate has become a global sensation. तो मैं सोच रही थी कि अगर मैं भी ब्रांड होती, मैं कोई बड़ी सेलिब्रिटी को साइन करूँ to become my brand ambassador for their popularity, I would rather just send it to a few Instagrammers and get reels made out of them. So ये जो popularity है, वो अभी somewhere influencers have more of it than celebrities. Very controversial, but it is what it is.
यार I have two takes on this. Okay. वन इज आई थिंक इन्फ्लुएंसर का जो काम है वो थोड़ा अलग है. सेलिब्रिटी या स्पेसिफिकली मूवी स्टार्स या इनके बारे में अगर बात करें या जो टीवी स्टार्स है उनका काम थोड़ा अलग है. नाउ व्हाट हैपेंस इज इन ऑर्डर टू मेक वन मूवी, ओके, शायद से 6 महीना लग सकता है, 1 साल लग सकता है, 2 साल लग सकता है, राइट. द टाइम कैन वेरी. अब जब तक वो मूवी स्टार उस पर्टिकुलर कमिटमेंट के लिए लॉक्ड है, so they are not allowed to reveal their look, they are not allowed to reveal like most of the things related to that project, right. So for a very long time they are off the public. Abhi for content creators, influencers, they are daily active, like daily they'll upload 5 to 10 stories of what they're doing and how they're doing it, so they are more in the public eye. ठीक है. अब वो जो saying होती है ना, जो ज़्यादा दिखता है वो बिकता है. So which is why content creators are more out there, they are more visible, which is why there is this popularity. Movie stars at the same time are committed to a project for a very long time, because of which वो ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं आ सकते हैं. इसीलिए शायद से उनका popularity is in waves. Because let's say I love KGF, okay, and I love Yash, okay, but Yash की popularity शायद से तब ज़्यादा shoot up करेगी मे बी जब KGF 3 आएगी या KGF 2 के टाइम पे.
But just I can also then have this question asked to you कि अभी I also feel कि these celebrities they have started feeling like मुझे active ज़्यादा रहना पड़ेगा on social media to be more relevant, and a lot of celebrities have started acting like influencers on social media at least,
Correct.
and they are well received.
Correct.
पहले वो जो था कि अच्छा celebrities need to be mysterious, need to put out only airbrushed photoshopped pictures. अभी एकदम raw real जो celebrities होते हैं ना,
Correct.
वो best चल रहा है. Biggest example maybe Shraddha Kapoor.
Yes.
Shraddha Kapoor is the highest followed celebrity
After Virat Kohli.
Virat Kohli, female celebrity in India. And her Instagram is just very raw. It's as good
Yes.
as like a content creator's
correct,
Instagram,
correct.
the way she puts stories. So maybe Harsh, you're the expert here on social.
मेरे को वही लगता है कि यार ये ना स्ट्रैटेजी वाइज उनकी इंडिविजुअल अभी चॉइसेस हैं. अभी शायद पूरा का पूरा बॉलीवुड या फिर सेलिब्रिटी स्ट्रक्चर जो भी है ना, वो अभी शायद खुद भी कन्विंस नहीं है कि उनको किस डायरेक्शन में जाना है, विच इज़ आई थिंक गुड. क्योंकि जैसे भाई आपने बताया ना कि वेव होता है, बट मेरे को उस टाइम ना एक थॉट ट्रिगर हुई कि जब वेव्स होती हैं, बट स्टिल अगर आज KGF यश 1 साल के लिए, 2 साल के लिए, 3 साल के लिए भी गायब रहेगा ना, जब वो 3 साल बाद आएगा वो स्टिल उतना ही रेलिवेंट होगा. बट क्या कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स के केस में सेम चीज़ होगी? सपोजिंगली आज हज़ारों लाखों कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स में कोई कंटेंट क्रिएटर अगर 3 साल के लिए गायब हो गया, तो उसकी जो जगह ना शायद वो
Correct.
रिप्लेसेबल है.
Correct.
है ना, क्योंकि वो काइंड ऑफ कंटेंट दे रहा है, शायद कोई और देने लग जाएगा.
Correct.
तो यहाँ फिर एक प्रॉब्लम भी आती है, जहाँ हर दिन दिखना भी अपने आप में एक
Yes.
प्रॉब्लम है.
Yes.
कि तुम इतना ज़्यादा ओवर दिख चुके हो ना कि तुम्हारे पास शायद कुछ बचा ही नहीं अब. एंड फिर तुम अगर गायब होते हो तो लोग भी बोर हो जाते हैं कि बस
Correct.
भाई हो गया.
I agree with that one because the influencers that I've seen popping up a lot in the last 3 years are not the same faces anymore at all. Like,
वो इन्फ्लुएंसर्स का ना लॉट आता है.
Yeah.
हर साल में,
Yeah,
हर 2
yeah.
साल में कि भाई अब नया कोई आया, फिर कोई नया आया, पूरा जॉनरा चेंज हो जाता है.
So yeah, I think we have come to a rough conclusion जो I think आपका भी होता होगा when you discuss this topic with your friends or colleagues. If you have any other thoughts, तो please let us know in the comments also. But I think all of us have overall agreed कि yeah, influencers को मिलने लगा है that celebrity status. But obviously it has its own differences. As you said, it's in waves. As you said, it needs to be showing up every day. So guys, this concluding thoughts. अगर आपके पास एक brand है, you feel free to choose your own products. अगर आपको वो endorse करना है, आपको उसके लिए एक ambassador चाहिए, आप influencer लोगे या celebrity लोगे?
Influencer for sure.
If I'm starting out, influencer for sure.
Starting out influencer for sure.
Yeah.
I think we have a winner, guys. But yeah, I think this industry is growing and जो हम हमेशा से बोलते आ रहे हैं कि even if anyone, celebrity, entrepreneur or content creator, at in every career at some point, abhi unko in 2025 they need to be creating some form of content to make a personal brand digitally. So ऐसे देखा जाए then everyone ends up becoming an influencer anyways, आप जो भी stream में हो. So if you want to know more about how we can help you out in your own content journey, check the description and the pinned comment and tell us your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks so much guys for all
you.
Thank you
your thoughts.
everyone. Thank you.
Guys.
And we'll see you in the next video.